Today I'm sharing how to make a Care Bear. This is going to be a cake topper on a Care Bear's cake. So Funshine is the yellow Care Bear and we're going to be making the yellow Care Bear on this video. For the yellow Care Bear Funshine, I have measured out 5 grams of yellow fondant. These are going to serve as the legs. I'll have this inserted here to be able to hold up the head. There you have a yellow Care Bear Funshine. Please ask questions if you have any in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. Please enjoy. Today I'm sharing how to make a Care Bear. This is going to be a cake topper on a Care Bear's cake, and this is the first of 4 I have made. And she's Love a Lot Care Bear. She's the pink Care Bear, and she's Love a Lot Care Bear. The next one I'd like to share will be the behind the scenes of how to make Funshine. So Funshine is the yellow Care Bear and we're going to be making the yellow Care Bear on this video. For the yellow Care Bear Funshine, I have measured out about 5 grams of yellow fondant. So 5 grams each of yellow fondant. These are going to serve as the legs. Next also I have rolled and measured out 3 grams of yellow fondant for the hands. And next I have measured out roughly about 40 grams for the body. And for the body I'll just be rolling it and making sure that it is almost a cone shape, using the silicone mat to actually guide and shape how it's gonna sit. Now this is going to be the body for Funshine. And next is the head. So the head is kind of big in proportion to the rest of the body. As you can see, we'll be using about 50 grams of fondant for the head. I'll start working with the head just to shape the head. So I want it a bit round, but not too round. I'm going to be shaping the top of the head, just using my index finger right here. And so what I'm doing is just making the top of the head a bit smaller, and again going in with my finger, trying to get the cheeks out. This is going to be where the nose is, so I'm going to indent it just with my finger and try to work on the cheeks. You could work with a tool to actually help define. At this point, you will be doing a bit of sizing to see if it's too big for the body. Taking a bit of white fondant, I'm going to roll that up into a ball shape, but making sure to flatten the back. Funshine has a bit of an orange nose. It's just a round nose, so taking a bit of orange and shaping that. Now for the mouth, so we have the mouth just like this, just above the cheeks. I'll make some holes in here, and this will be for the eyes. You can see it's coming together, it's looking like a bear. Just get some white fondant again and put that into the holes. I'm trying to make the eyes as oval as I can get. So I just realized, looking at the picture, Funshine has a heart-shaped nose and not a circular nose. So I had to get this out and redo this. So I have this little tiny cutter to make an impression. And then cut out the ears. Center the white circle on the yellow fondant for the ears. And we're going to cut this into 2 halves. Using a bit of water. This will be the eyebrows. Now taking a bit of black fondant, the eyelid. This will be the white circle for Funshine's chest, and try to make the sun Mix a bit of yellow and orange to get the nice shade for Funshine sun on the chest. Cutting out the sun, the yellow sun, using a bit of water again. I'm going to use yellow edible food markers just to draw out the rays of the sun. Indenting this for the legs. Funshine has orange hearts on his paws. I'll have this inserted here to be able to hold up the head. There you have a yellow Care Bear, Funshine. Oh, before I forget, the Care Bears have a bit of hair right at the top of their heads. So we have Funshine and we have Love-A-Lot Bear.